Okay, we're dealing with order of operations. I have a negative 52 over 7 plus 6. So when we're doing with fractions, really there's parentheses around the top and the bottom. So we deal with the top and the bottom separately. So the top, I can't do anything here. So I'm just writing negative 52. On the bottom, parentheses, we know we do first. 7 plus 6, I get 13. Then I can do my division. A negative and a positive, negative divided by a positive, is a negative. And then I divide. 13 into 52 goes in 4 times evenly. So we get a final answer of negative 4. Number 2. We have a 3 bracket, negative 5 plus 6, negative 6 plus 8 brackets. So what I need to do is work my inside out. So our first order of operation is parentheses. So I'm going to do this first. I have a negative 6 plus a positive 8. I get 2. I'm going to write everything else down. I still have that 2. That's what I just solved. Okay, now I'm still working inside here. So before I do addition, I have to do multiplication. So I need to do this multiplication first. 6 times 2, I get 12. I'm going to bring everything else down. Okay, we're still working inside this parenthesis, so now I need to do this inside. A negative 5 plus a positive 12, I get a positive 7. And bring down my last 3. 3 times 7 is a positive 21. So do it in steps. When you have parentheses and brackets, brackets are just like parentheses, but you work your inside to out. Number 3, negative 9 squared plus a negative 3 squared plus 11. So order of operations, parentheses first. We have the parentheses here, but there's nothing we can do inside of those. Then we have exponents. We do exponents next. So negative 9 squared is an 81, because negative 9 times negative 9 is a positive 81. We also have this exponent. A negative 3 squared is a positive 9, because negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. Now all I have left is addition, so we go from left to right. So 81 plus 9, I get 90. And then I still add my 11, therefore we get an answer of 101, which is choice A. Okay, number 4. We have 6 times a negative 4 minus 3 plus 9 all over negative 90 divided by 5. So we do the top and the bottom separately. So with order of operations, we have a multiplication, a subtraction, addition. We do multiplication first. So we're going to do a 6 times the negative 4 first. 6 times negative 4, I get negative 24. Okay, I still have the rest. And then I just do it. All I have left is addition and subtraction, so I go from left to right. Negative 24 minus a 3 is a negative 27. I still have this plus 9. A negative 27, a positive 9, gives me a negative 18. So that's what I have on the top. On the bottom, I have a negative 90 divided by 5. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. And 90 divided by 5 is 18. Now I have a negative 18 divided by negative 18. A negative over a negative is a positive. Think of it, you can pick it up and form a plus sign. And 18 divided by 18 is a positive 1. So we get the answer A. Number 5. We have 7 minus 8 squared squared. So order of operations, we do parentheses first. Here's our parentheses. So I look inside of the parentheses. We have to do exponents before I do subtraction. So 8 squared, I get 64. So now I still have 7 minus 64 squared. Now I'm still doing this. 7 minus 64. I get a negative 57. Now I still have to square that. So negative 57 squared. And negative times a negative is positive. So I need to do 57 times 57. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus my 4 is 39. Add my 0. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus my 3 is 28. We're adding. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry that 1. 8 and 3 and 1, I get 12. Carry the 1. And 2 and 1 is 3. So we get an answer, 3,249, which is choice B. And our last one. We have negative 11 times 8 minus 5 minus 3 cubed. Okay, so order of operations, we do parentheses first. So I'm going to do this parentheses first. 8 minus 5, I get 3. Bringing everything else down. Then our order of operations tells us to do exponents next. So I'm doing this exponent. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times another 3 is 27. So I have negative 11 times 3 minus a 27. Then multiplication we do next. So negative 11 times 3 is a negative 33. And I still have minus 27. So negative 33 minus a 27 is a negative 60, which is choice B.